Students of Standard 8, DAV Mobile Public School welcomes you all in e-learning classes. Here Nitin Pushpa today, your social science teacher. Today's topic is agriculture. Students, in the previous lesson, we have read about the importance of various resources like land, soil, water, plants, etc. In this lesson, we will study about the agriculture and its importance for the mankind. Okay, students, so let's start our today's online session. Next point is major crops. Okay, students, on the basis of their use, major crops of the world are classified into three categories. First, cereals crops. Second, fiber crops. Third, beverage crops. Okay, students, let us learn about the minute details. Okay, first, cereals. Students, they include rice, wheat, maize, and millets. Okay, students, let us discuss about them in detail one by one. First, rice. Students, alluvial loamy soil and clay soils are ideals for the rice cultivation. Rice cultivation requires 24 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature. Students, again it requires 100 to 125 centimeter rainfall. Students, delta region, then river valleys, coastal plains. This region is ideal for the cultivation of rice. Students, India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. Students, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Punjab, Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu. These are the rice producing states of India. Okay, second students, wheat. Wheat is the another important major crops of India as well as the other countries. Okay, students, loamy soil is required for the beneficial for the development of wheat agriculture. Okay, students, it requires 10 to 15 degrees Celsius temperature during the time of sowing and 20 to 25 degrees Celsius temperature is required during the time of harvesting. Students, it grows within 75 to 100 centimeter. Okay, so it is the main crop of temperate region. Which region? Temperate region. Students, wheat cultivation is mainly in the northern and central region of India. Students, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra are the major wheat producing states. Students, so this is the information about the rice and wheat major crops. Next one, maize. Maize generally grows well in areas of well-drained alluvial soil. Students, it grows well in 21 to 27 degrees Celsius temperature. Students, maize requires 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall. Students, in India, maize is cultivated in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. It is known as Makka in India. Okay, next major crop is millets. Listen, students, millets are grown on soils of poor quality. It requires 18 to 32 degrees Celsius temperature. Again, students, it requires 30 to 75 centimeter rainfall. Students, millets include grains like jowar, bajra, and ragi. These are the used both as the food grains and as fodder. Students, jowar is mainly cultivated in the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Students, bajra is grown in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Haryana. And Raji is the mostly grown in Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, and Goa. So these are the major crops, maize and millets. Okay, second category of major crops is fiber crops. Students, fiber crops can be divided into two categories on the basis of origin. First, natural fibers and artificial fiber. Students, natural fibers are cotton, jute, natural silk and wool. And artificial fibers are rayon, nylon and terracotta. Okay, students, let us discuss about that. First, cotton. Students, alluvial and black soil are ideal for its cultivation. Yes, students, black soil is a very advantageous for the cotton cultivation. Students, it is a crop of tropical and subtropical regions. Cotton cultivation requires 30 to 40 degrees Celsius temperature. Students, cotton cultivation requires 60 to 100 centimeter of annual rainfall. Students, during the harvesting period, weather should be dry and frost free and sunny. Students, in India, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana are the main cotton producing process is there. Students, cheap and efficient labor is required for plucking cotton balls. It is mainly grown under the irrigation. So students, this is the information of cotton. Next one, jute. Listen students, alluvial soil found in river deltas is good for the crop. That means alluvial soil is beneficial for the jute. Again students, it grows well in flood plains. Students, it requires 25 degrees Celsius temperature and it requires the 150 centimeter rainfall. Students, in India, that means India is one of the leading producer in the world. In India, jute is cultivated in Ganga Brahmaputra deltas of West Bengal. Also in Assam, Bihar, Meghalaya and Odisha are the jute producing states. So students, this is the information about the cotton and jute. Two pictures are given. These are the pictures of cotton and jute crops. Third category of major crops is beverage crops. Okay, students, tea and coffee are the two important beverage crops. Okay, let us discuss about them one by one. First, tea. Students, alluvial soil is beneficial for the tea. It grows well in hot and humid condition of the tropical and subtropical regions. Students, tea crop requires 20 to 30 degree Celsius temperature. Again students, it needs 150 to 300 centimeter of annual rainfall. Students, Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal are the major tea producing states in India. Okay, students, second is coffee. Students, coffee needs well-drained, fertile soil in the hilly slopes. It requires 15 to 28 degrees Celsius temperature. Again, students, rainfall requirement is 150 to 200 centimeter for the cultivation of coffee. Students, in India, major coffee producing states of India are hilly regions of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Students, two pictures are given. Students, these are the pictures of tea and coffee production. Okay, so these are the major beverage crops. Okay, students, next point is importance of agriculture. What are the importance of agriculture? Listen, students. Agriculture is the main source of national income for most developing countries. It is a major occupation of people in the developing countries of the world. India is an agricultural country, students. So hence, it is the backbone. That means agriculture is the backbone of a country's economic development. Students, agriculture not only supplies food to the people, but also creates huge market for tractors, threshers, harvesters, fertilizers, pesticides, and other industrial products. Agriculture helps in providing employment, eradicating poverty, enhancing trade, and earning foreign exchange. Students, agriculture also plays an important role in strengthening global relations by encouraging international trade of agricultural products. So students, these are the importance of agriculture. Definitely students, agriculture provides a better platform to the employment and for the economic development. Next one students, agricultural development. Listen, students, food is essential for the growth of all human beings. With the growth of population in the world, the demand of foods has also increased. Students, so that's why the farmers from countries started using the high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides and modern equipments. Students, again biotechnology, listen students, biotechnology just play an important role in the development of agriculture. Students, in developing countries, manual labor is used for the most of the agricultural activities, whereas in developed countries, agriculture is highly mechanized. Most of the population of the developing countries is engaged in agriculture and it's called allied activities. Okay, students, so in such a way that a modern technology and the biotechnology and the many modern equipments just are using in the agriculture sector, so it refers to the agricultural development, it refers to increase the production, it helps to again development in agriculture. Okay, students, on the basis of taught portion, some assignment questions I am giving you. You have to write the answers of these questions. Students, in such a way that this lesson agriculture is finished. In the next online session, we will learn new lesson. So students, till then, thank you very much and have a nice day.